Don't tell them about that easy route round Novak Bridge.
There's no bridge.
No, you're really not.
Hey?
You're having it.
No, you can't if you want it. I'll put it in the bag and turn it up.
He's got this on his Facebook thing, hasn't he? Rob?
You want to put what just in case?
Maybe
You sure?
I took fucking... You think you're alright when you get there and then fucking all it goes.
Julie to go in, but Jade.
That's the one we want, but come on.
Please.
Odds aren't looking good that time, no. Come on!
That's finished, isn't it?
Yeah, Roddy.
Yeah. Bastard.
That's Buffy. You're gonna lay down on you.
Ah, then. Oh, no.
Nobody wants Darren to drop it, do they?
Oh.
Like a season throw in the old Darren.
Watch Rob have a minute now.
Oh.
Rob, they're all watching you, no?
It won't be going on your Facebook, honest. Will it?
Wheelie.